How to remove McAfee from my computer. Step 1. Open your browser and search for the McAfee removal tool. Step 2. Open the service page. Step 3. Once the page is opened, scroll down to Method 2. Step 4. Click on the MCPR method. Step 5. Scroll down and click on Download the MCPR tool. Step 6. Once downloaded, open the file. Step 7. Once the removal tool is opened, click on Next. Step 8. In the software removal page, select Agree, then click on Next. Step 9. Complete security validation. Step 10. Click on Next. Step 11. Wait for the products to uninstall. For more such help and information, visit us at www.antivirusdales.com or call us at +1 857 557 6826 +44 161 791 4591.